selection decides the quality long before machines engage. Every can begins where the fruit first meets the light. Precision begins at the source. Harvest ends, preparation continues. Traceability starts in the field. Handled gently, the harvest keeps its promise. Temperature control preserves integrity. Logistics meet agriculture. The journey to transformation begins. From field to factory, the process flows.
Every journey carries the promise of transformation.
Transport bridges the gap between earth and industry. Verification seals the first phase. Arrival signals the next phase of creation. Procedures ensure safety and accountability. The factory breathes a rhythm of machines and men.
Stability ensures safe passage.
Machines assist, but care remains human.
Precision meets efficiency at every turn. Handling preserves quality through motion. Each step brings the harvest closer to transformation.
Inside, industry awakens.
Placement sets the pace for processing.
A little to the left. Slow down. Okay, right there.
Coordination keeps the line flowing.
Machines take over, but human care remains.
The journey continues, guided by rhythm and flow.
Transport completes, but processing has just begun. The facility awaits the fruit of the land. Every delivery begins its industrial journey here.
All right, manifest matches. Seal number is correct. You're good to go.
Verification safeguards quality from the start.
Guidance ensures precision in every move.
Every path converges at the heart of production. Every detail tells a story of efficiency and scale. Doors open to the world of transformation. Coordination orchestrates motion across the yard. Oversight ensures every move is accounted for. The threshold crossed, the real work begins. Every pineapple begins its journey with a first touch of care. Cleansed, they step into the next phase of selection.
Human eyes ensure only the finest proceed.
Separation removes what doesn't belong.
Consistency defines quality before transformation.
Precision machines complement human judgment.
Selection remains meticulous at every step.
Gravity guides them toward their next encounter.
Preparation ensures efficiency downstream.
Human oversight safeguards automated precision. Sorted, washed, and ready, they reach the threshold of transformation. Sorted, washed, and ready, they reach the threshold of transformation. Every fruit is guided toward precision. The crown falls, but the essence remains intact. Cores removed with surgical precision. Human eyes guide mechanical accuracy. Slices form with mechanical grace. Even remnants are captured for efficiency. Organization maintains rhythm in production. Every surface polished for perfection. Every batch measured. Every slice counted. The core transformed, the fruit ready for its next evolution. Heat prepares the fruit for preservation.
Human judgment confirms machine accuracy.
Cooling stabilizes what heat has set.
Nothing is wasted. Every drop follows the path of care.
Containers prepare to receive the harvest. Balance is prepared before infusion. Portions repeat with perfect consistency.
Sweetness completes the composition.
Precision leaves no room for error. Air removed, preservation strengthened. Closure prepares permanence. Sealed for time and travel.
Verification protects what's inside.
Now, time and pressure complete the transformation. Automation governs heat, time, and safety. Inside, preservation is locked in by design. Machines breathe, so the product endures. The cycle ends, stability achieved. Uniform motion replaces manual handling. Cooling balances what heat has secured.
The air replaces touch at high speed.
Orientation confirms reliability. Digital eyes never blink. Imperfection exits without delay. Every can leaves a digital footprint. Speed adapts without human pause. Human oversight anchors automation. Identity is prepared for every container. Precision aligns brand and product. Consistency wraps every can. Time is stamped with accuracy. Accuracy is verified again.
Human touch confirms machine success.
Precision measured one last time. Deviation is removed instantly.
Flow pauses without stopping.
Structure forms at speed. Placement completes the set. Closure secures the product. Finished with precision, ready for final proof. Before release, every batch must prove itself. Random checks ensure universal trust.
Surface integrity reveals hidden truths.
Quantity must match precision. Color and firmness define acceptance.
Chemistry confirms safety.
Invisible threats are taken seriously. Time tests what machines cannot. Strength protects the product's future.
Data validates every decision.
Approval clears the path forward. Only perfection proceeds. Quality secured, the journey nears its end. Approval releases the final flow.
Order forms at industrial speed.
Consistency builds strength.
Protection secures the journey ahead. Identity follows every shipment.
Movement continues without pause.
Digital systems track every unit.
Stored with precision, ready on demand.
Dispatch begins with alignment. Prepared for roads beyond the factory.
Final checks ensure safe delivery.
And this is how modern factories produce pineapple cans from start to finish.
The process completes. The product moves on.
From field to factory, precision defines every step. The journey ends, but production never stops.